How to recover your disabled Facebook account. Hi everyone, this is here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can recover the disabled Facebook account. So without further delay, let's get started. Seeing a message like "we have disabled your account" on a Facebook can be stressful, but depending upon the reason for the suspension, we may be able to recover it. First of all, let's understand why Facebook disabled your account. Facebook disabled your account if you have performed some of the activities like violating community standards, performing suspicious activities, if you get reports from many users, and if your account is underage, which is usually under 13, and also if you are performing repeatedly or if you are repeatedly violating policies, then in this case you will get a suspension or disabled from Facebook. So if you think your account was disabled by mistake, then you can appeal for the decision. Now to appeal for the suspension, first of all head towards the Google, and there you have to go to the Facebook Support Center or Facebook Help Center. Once you're here, head towards the first link, that is Help Center. And in the Help Center, search for disabled account. Head over to the first option, and here in this article you will find all of the information regarding your suspension and your disabled account. Here it says, "We may suspend your Facebook account if you find that account or activity on it may not follow our community standards. You can appeal the suspension within 180 days. If you do not appeal within the days, or if your appeal is not successful, we will permanently disable your account." So it goes same with if your account is disabled as well. You have to appeal your account within 80 days. If not, your account will be permanently deleted. So if you want to appeal for a suspension, you have to log in into your Facebook. Once you logged in with the account that is disabled, you will be prompted to appeal your suspension. There, you may have to fill out the form. And there you will be asked to enter your full name as on the Facebook, your login email or phone number, and if requested, you will also have to provide your government issued ID, and make sure to explain your situation clearly and respectfully. And also you may be asked to verify your identity. There you may have to provide your government issued ID, a selfie for facial recognition, and also answering some other questions. And while uploading the documents, make sure that your name matches the one on your profile. After that, you have to wait for the response. Facebook usually responds within 48 hours to a few days, so you have to check your email regularly for the messages from Facebook. And during this period, you don't have to create an account immediately. If you do so, that might worsen your case even more, so you do not create an account within that period. And if the Facebook responds that the decision is final, there's unfortunately no further appeal, then your account will not be recovered. In that case, you will only have two options: either to start a new account and to be careful to follow the community standards moving forward. So in this case, you can recover your disabled Facebook account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.